Introducing Rasor's revolutionary Proturf, a new battery-powered handheld cutter designed to handle a wide range of artificial grass products, including decorative and landscape turf, as well as synthetic sports and play surfaces, such as performance and multi-sport turf. The Proturf is the ultimate solution for precise and professional artificial grass cutting applications. Powered by a 21-volt, 4 Ah battery and equipped with a Teflon-coated blade, it delivers consistent performance over extended periods without frequent recharging. The advanced lithium-ion battery technology ensures a full charge in just 2 hours, while an integrated LED indicator provides real-time battery status monitoring. Its semi-automatic sharpening system allows for blade reconditioning in under 10 seconds and no disassembly is required. Engineered with safety and user comfort in mind, the Proturf meets the highest safety standards. The Proturf is equipped with a 3-blade speed regulation, which ensures optimal cutting performance. The Proturf comes with advanced temperature and overload protections for maximum safety and reliability. The Proturf is the ideal choice for cutting tasks that demand mobility, flexibility, power, and ease of use. It is perfect for professionals who value both performance and convenience and is suitable for all types of backings. The fiber opening system guarantees perfectly clean cut edges thanks to a specially designed blade attachment that can be height adjusted according to fiber length. A robust 450-watt brushless motor combined with steel gears delivers high torque and long-lasting durability. The Proturf is delivered with 2 batteries, a charger, a docking station, 1 extra blade and essential accessories. A QR code instantly provides you with the necessary technical documentation. Discover the full potential of the Proturf and optimize your cutting process. A CE declaration, together with an RoHS certificate, are included. Contact us for further information. Experience the future of cutting technology with Rasor.